Now usually when a company makes a solid color light and they go off and they make a bicolor variant or a dual color option, the dual color option will be half as bright and have worse color quality. Well, I found that to just simply not be the case with the Lupo Dayled 2000 dual color. So if you've been watching my channel, you know I already did a video on the Lupo Dayleds, the 2000 and the 650 models. And if you've already watched my video on the Lupo Dayleds, you don't have to worry, I'm not going to repeat myself. There's a link to it in the description of this video, and there's a card up somewhere you can click on it. I really like these Fresnels. They're very high quality, very lightweight professional tools. When they asked if they could send out the dual color variant of their Dayled for me to take a look at, I was a little confused because I already reviewed their Dayled Fresnels, but I think they knew exactly what they were doing because they knew that I would measure it with my UPR-Tech CV600 and get some color readings. I took these readings at 1 meter away myself with the UPR-Tech CV600. The readings on the left are from the Lupo Dayled 2K 5600K, the fixed color temperature light, and the readings on the right are from the new Lupo Dayled 2K dual color set to 5600K, the highest color setting that it goes to. If I were comparing these lights as two separate fixed color temperature lights using only this data, I would have a difficult time telling you which one is better. The one on the left has about half a point better of TLCI and CRI, but the one on the right, the dual color, has a much smoother spectral graph, meaning it represents all the colors better rather than just the ones targeting CRI and TLCI. They both also hit 100,000 lux at full spotlight, full power, which is incredibly bright. But then the dual color has the option of going down to 3200K and delivering the full spectrum of a wonderful tungsten light, and the utility you earn from that is invaluable when considering you don't lose anything on the daylight side of the spectrum. I'm not going to go into detail reading and comparing all the numbers on this video, but you can full screen it and pause the video if you want to dive in, maybe take a screenshot, but it breaks 98 CRI and TLCI on tungsten. For reference, I measured a cloudy daylight outdoors day and only hit 97.9 TLCI, so anything beyond 98 is better than perfect. Now they advertise the Dayled 2000 in dual color at only having a CRI and TLCI of around 92. But my readings show that not only do they match up very well against the solid color daylight temperature variant, in some cases it's even brighter and has better color quality than the solid color variant. So the Dayled 2000 and 5600K is $1,850. But for $150 more, not only do you get the utility of having a bicolor light, it's like having this entire light but also in dual color with no sacrifice and no compromise. So I would say if you're in the market for a new professional Fresnel and you're on the fence between something that is bicolor and something that is solid color, I would definitely recommend you take a look at the Dayled 2000 in dual color by Lupo. Maybe it's because this one is new and maybe they've changed their manufacturing process, but what I can tell you is the color quality and the brightness is phenomenal out of this light, and for $150 more, you're getting a lot more than $150 worth of value out of their new Dayled 2000. So if you've got any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.